Really, the big overarching story is about adopting, rescuing a dog from a shelter and giving them the best life you can. Hey, I'm Theron, and this is my friend Maddie. Come on. I think people resonate with my images of Maddie, like most things, for like a bunch of reasons. And one of them is I've been doing it consistently for a very long time. And I've been shooting her for 10 years now. There's like aesthetic things, like she has great speckles and her eyelashes are, blonde and really endearing, and, she's very accommodating and a great subject. I think it's just like as an artist, as someone who creates images, like realizing that your photographs like hit everyone differently, much like musicians releasing songs. Like everyone has their own interpretation, their own history, and their own unique perspective and lens that they're filtering that song through. I think in the end, my main impetus and goal now is just to make little moments of joy, that are just happy and lighthearted, and I've kind of made peace that I don't have some big, I don't think I'm going to resolve some big social problem like photographing Maddie and in our story, but that's okay. Everything has its purpose in life's journey. The thing with Maddie is over time it's kept my ego in check, because I think the majority of people don't follow me for I think they follow Maddie because they love Maddie and I love her too. I hope my legacy, is connected to her and my images that I've made of her, because adopting, rescuing a dog from a shelter and giving them the best life you can, that's the big overarching message. Any sacrifice that you make is worth it because they just enhance your life in incredible ways. So it's just stepping out, taking that risk, bringing this wonderful creature into your life and sacrificing something of convenience in the moment, just brings all this beauty in ways that you didn't even know about. I hope that's the legacy that we leave. It's bring a dog into your life from a shelter.